Hello kids! Today we are going to learn about classroom objects and their uses. Pencil is used to write. Pen is used to write neatly. Eraser is used to remove mistakes. Sharpener is used to sharpen pencils. Notebook is used to write notes. Book is used to read and learn. Ruler is used to draw straight lines. School bag is used to carry books and school items. Chair is used to sit. Desk is used for writing and studying. Blackboard is used to teach students. Chalk is used to write on the blackboard. Duster is used to clean the blackboard. Whiteboard is used for teaching. Marker is used to write on the whiteboard. Computer is used to learn and work. Keyboard is used to type. Mouse is used to control the computer. Projector is used to show lessons on the screen. Clock is used to tell time. Globe is used to study the earth. Map is used to learn about places. Scissors is used to cut paper. Glue is used to stick things together. Tape is used to join things. Paper is used for writing and drawing. Stapler is used to attach papers. Calculator is used to do math calculations. Highlighter is used to mark important lines. File folder is used to keep paper safe. Crayons are used to color drawings. Paintbrush is used for painting. Paint palette is used to mix colors. Water bottle is used to drink water. Lunchbox is used to carry food. Backpack is used to carry school items. Bell is used to start and end class. Fan is used to cool the classroom. Window is used for fresh air and sunlight. Door is used to enter and exit the classroom. Lamp is used to give light. Compass is used to draw circles. Protractor is used to measure angles. Binder clip is used to hold papers together. Bulletin board is used to display notices. Dictionary is used to find word meanings. Attendance register is used to mark attendance. Dustbin is used to throw waste. School bus is used to take students to school. Trophy is used to reward winners. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.